you were inspired by your first Today's Special Value to upgrade this to our Today's Special Value today, where for $9.99 a piece, you and I didn't even say that 20 plus years ago, you are getting this home. It is limited, but just, I mean, at this point, I do this with shoes. I'll say, click your size, what's left, in color, get it. Go to QVC.com, what's left, get it, because you now could just have 5 Christmas gifts, Hanukkah gifts done like that.
Sure.
If you go online right now or tap your app or call us and get this amazing Today's Special Value.
And look, while Jane was talking, I took 9 quarts of capacity, stacked them all together, exactly what she was just saying. So typically with Temp-tations, you have to pick up the bowls separately. They're included with our Today's Special Value, a 2 quart and a 1 quart. You have 3 of our most popular size bakers, your 1 quart, your 2 quart, and your 3 quart. If we stopped right there, that's 6 quart total capacity. Add in the bowls, add in that beautiful 14-inch tray, and you now have 9 quarts of capacity. But it all nests down for space saving. Yet you can have the smaller sizes for the perfect entree, the perfect side dish. You can use this breakfast, lunch, or dinner and customize these pieces for your lifestyle.
I mean, you know what? When I've dropped off a meal for a family member or a friend, I've spent more on that dumb stuff.
Of course.
That they might throw out. I mean, this is Temp-tations. And by the way, behind us, you can see what we have left. We've already had 1,000 ordered in the show. If you want the confetti in Old World, we have 800 left. We've sold over 42,000 today. And here's what's left. My favorite.
Red Doodle Doo. So again, I love that we're able to lay it all out for you so that you can see these great pieces and really see the set come together. We have Black Doodle Doo. So I love, again, that farmhouse chic. And then last but not least, we have the Pawfetti, Jane. And what I've been saying all day, everybody has a pet lover on their list. You'd be on my list, Kiki. Yeah. You would be on my list.
And you know I have a new baby.
I saw your new baby.
Kiki sent us Luna.
Is it Nalu? Oh, Luna. Luna. That's it.
Kiki Luna, but we call her Luna.
Got it. But a Pawfetti. So you could break these into 6 individual gifts for the pet lover on your list and give it.
So 150 left in Pawfetti, a Pawfetti. So we are down to final quantities. Please get my favorite Doodle Doo. I think it's one of the most elegant things you've ever done. Okay.
All right. I'm going to give a prediction right now, Jane.